As you arrive, you will see clear signage guiding you to the entrance. Please drive slowly and be mindful of other vehicles and pedestrians. Your first stop is the weigh scales. Here, you will need to pull up to the intercom, stop, and speak with our staff. They will ask you questions about where you are coming from and what material you have. They will record the weight of your vehicle and guide you to the appropriate drop-off area. We have different zones for different types of waste and recyclables, including bins for garbage, construction and demolition material, cardboard, and blue box materials, leaf and yard waste, hazardous and special waste, and more. Follow the clearly marked signs and talk to our friendly staff to find out where each type of material should go. Once you've found the correct area, you can begin unloading your waste. When you've finished unloading, return to the weigh scale. We'll weigh your vehicle again to determine the amount of waste you've dropped off. This helps us calculate any applicable fees. You can dispose of many items free of charge. Tipping fees for garbage, large items, construction and demolition materials, agricultural waste, and Freon units are available online or in the Wasteline calendar. For more information or questions, visit wasteline.ca, follow us on social media, or download the Wasteline app.